Would you believe if I told you 5 food habits that can change your life, that can aid you in weight loss, and that can also give you a healthy, glowing skin? If yes, then keep on watching the video. Guys, this is Sania and welcome back to my channel. In this channel today I'm going to discuss about a topic which has been close to my heart and life changing. However, I have never ever talked about this topic. Therefore, I am starting to speak out on this topic, and this topic is going to be very interesting and close to my heart because this is a tried and tested method. It has changed my life only for the better. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. But before that, you know the drill. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you find my content relevant. Now, let's move on to the video. Very first thing that you can do to get a glowing skin and also improve health is by drinking lots and lots of water. I know this is not a not so known technique. However, we often tend to forget that because of various reasons, which includes our laziness, lack of conscious living, and simply avoiding simple stuff. So in our busy life, if we cannot take care of health, then at a point of time, especially during pandemic, we realize how much health is important to us and also for the people caring for us and loving us, right? So drink up a lot of water. When you drink up a lot of water, water is a natural cleanser. It will remove your toxins out of the body in form of sweat, urination. So your skin will automatically and your body will automatically start to heal, and therefore don't underestimate the power of water and drink up. How often do you use your moisturizer? How often do you use your moisturizer? Yes, you heard me right. You must be slopping a lot of moisturizer all the time because you have been hearing that moisturization of skin is important. Yes, that is important. However, how often do you moisturize your body internally? Because if your body is moisturized and lubricated internally, it will reflect on your outer and external appearance, also on your mental health, and obviously the internal organs would be much happier and your body would function in a much better way. So how do you lubricate your body? What is the moisturizer that you should use for your internal parts and for caring or moisturizing or lubricating the inside of your body? You know the answer, right? It's the fats, and the fats that has to be the healthy fats. Therefore, include healthy fats in your diet in moderation. That is very important to lubricate your body and help it function better way and get a clear glowing skin naturally without the use of a lot of skincare. So the healthy fats for recommendation that I have and that I swear by is nuts, which specifically includes walnuts, almonds, and cashew nuts. The second option for which has become a part of my life these days are coconut oil, extra virgin olive oil. So these two are there, though there are a lot of oils you can go for, but this two has been my patent and I have been consuming them for over past 2 years, and I can clearly note the difference in how my body feels, how my body reacts to everything, and of course how my skin feels each day when I wake up. So also, lubrication, having healthy fat is very important for joint health. So if you want to avoid the pain that one goes through in the old age because of joint pain, you should better start implementing or including a lot of healthy fats in the form of nuts, seeds, and oils for your body. Even you can have organic ghee. That is one of the very good lubricating product that you can have in your daily life. However, I try to consume dairy very less. Therefore, the alternatives for me are coconut oil and olive oil, which are equally good. And even if you're having ghee, I would also suggest you to try and go for olive oil and coconut oil, at least for a switch up or for some change. The next step is to avoid a lot of caffeine in your diet. Caffeine is very much beneficial because it has antioxidant property. That means it has the ability to destroy the free radicals. Then what are free radicals? The free radicals are those agents that are, or those toxins that are produced in your body, which results in premature aging, premature damage of the cells, and therefore like increasing the aging process faster. So definitely you need to include a lot of antioxidants in your diet. Now what are antioxidants? Antioxidants accounted the free radicals in your body, and it will decrease the free radical, thereby slowing down the aging process. Okay, so the caffeine is one of the very good antioxidant that is available naturally. However, if you are having caffeine on a regular basis, or more than 2 shots of caffeine, say in form of coffee or tea, then it is not that, it won't be proving very good for your body. Like it is said, everything is good in moderation. Even caffeine is good in moderation. Therefore, if you drink your tea or drink your coffee or any of the caffeinated drinks more than 3 to 4 cups a day, that's a warning sign. Do not do that. Try to restrict your caffeine consumption to 1 to 2 cups at max, and do not have caffeine at the like post 2 p.m. Why? I'll tell about this in the next point, but you definitely should not. Other than that, you can go for other alternatives, like in warm water you can put lemon or you can put ginger and you can sip it up. That's a very good and soothing drink for your body. Other than that, you can also go for alternatives like decaf tea. So this decaf tea, the concept of decaf tea is that these are those soothing herbal teas which doesn't have caffeine, but these are very fancy. So instead of that, you can go for the natural options like warm water with honey, warm water with lemon, warm water with ginger. We have a lot of kitchen secrets for you, so use those up. And yes, do not give up on having caffeine, but definitely you need to reduce the amount to 1 to 2 cups per day. Also, there is a little suggestion from my end: try to go off of any form of caffeine at least 7 days, a month. That would help your body to build up the perception that yes, it is able to function without the caffeine, because caffeine kind of causes an addiction. Therefore, you will see a lot of people, they say, oh my god, I cannot function in the morning without my tea or my coffee. It is nothing but it's an addiction. So to remove that addiction, you need to be on caffeine fasting for at least 7 days a week, and if you do that, you will definitely notice the change. The next step is to include few supplements in your diet which are going to aid you in your body functioning better. So one of the important supplements that I swear by is biotin. So I make sure I have plant-based biotin. The one I prefer is from Olina or Oziva, available here, and they are the leading brands in producing plant-based uh, biotin, and the biotin comes in form of powder over there. Therefore, I am 27 and I swear by biotin, because I don't want to go and like miss on having biotin, because biotin is one of the sources that will help you in managing your proper cell renewal, proper cell function. Also will help you to give shiny hair, shiny skin, and overall improve your health and strong nails. Therefore, never miss out on biotin. The second supplement that I am swearing by nowadays and I'm loving it is collagen supplement. Okay, though now the collagen supplement I'm taking is plant based, though there is no backup research done on it that collagen supplement taken from plant source is effective or not. However, I feel if I am 27 and I have started taking the collagen right now, therefore it will have a great impact on my body. And honestly, I have been on this collagen supplement for more than 90 days as of now, and I definitely can feel there is a lot of change in my skin. It has become plump and more hydrated. That is what I feel, and therefore I am definitely going to continue having the collagen, the favorite collagen supplement, my favorite that I have seen working, is from Plix Olina. I choose the watermelon flavor, and it has done its job beautifully. And to see the result, guys, you have to be consistent with that. Obviously, you cannot have the supplement today and then once the bottle or the jar is over, you forget it, because the things to work, it has to be a long term commitment, right? So, the last point, which is not the least, because I'll be coming up with a sequel or parts of this video. However, for now, the last point being that commitment. Commitment is a big time thing. Anything to achieve in life, you have to commit to, guys. So, today, if in this video you have heard me drinking water, about using supplements, about using various seeds, nuts, including them in your diet. So, today, if you are disciplined, if you really care about your health, you need to include these changes slowly in your lifestyle. That is, today at least start by getting a good water bottle, good fancy bottle, okay, not the cheap plastic material, okay. There are a lot of good materials available, and start to drink up. Remember to drink up consciously. When you remember to drink up consciously, a day will be attained when it becomes your subconscious habit. So yes, that's good. Also, you can always go to online sources like Flipkart, Amazon, and get all your hands on cashews, almonds, nuts, seeds, and the oils. You can order it right now. Yes, you will be having a dispute with the test in the initially, but honestly, guys, those are the best health alternatives. It keeps your heart going and function. So remember, guys, in the previous era, nobody used skincare, right? It was all about food, and therefore you will see the skin of our grandmom and their lineage is so great. Even their body functions much better at the age they are than our body, right? So these are the wonders we that were always been existing. However, we don't actually follow it in this fast-paced life. We instead think of spending dollars and tons of cash on some external moisturizing products and serum, though the serums and products used to treat the problem specifically externally. However, whatever you are outside is a reflection of your health inside, right? So this external appearance is nothing but a reflection or a mirror image of what happens internally. And nevertheless, I need not focus on the fact that how much important is it to keep your body functioning healthy, to lead a happy and successful life. Remember, guys, two things you cannot bring back. One is your time, and one is your lost health. Therefore, it's high time start investing in this health issues of yours, so that you can gain back a lot of stuff and a happy, successful life. So that is it. That is all about this video. I hope you guys found it relatable and would implement one or two changes right now. So if you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe this video. And also, you can connect to me on my social site, that is Instagram, and I'll leave the handle somewhere down in the box also. So guys, see you in my next video. Thank you for listening and hearing me out. I love you all.